Bamboo begins its journey in carefully managed plantations. Mature culms are selected for strength and durability. Side branches and leaves are removed immediately. This creates uniform bamboo poles for processing. Harvested bamboo is sorted by diameter and length. Each bundle is tagged for its future application. The bamboo now travels to industrial processing facilities. Efficient logistics keep materials fresh and usable. The bamboo now travels to industrial processing facilities. Efficient logistics keep materials fresh and usable. Powerful washing systems remove soil and impurities. Clean surfaces improve later processing quality. Powerful washing systems remove soil and impurities. Clean surfaces improve later processing quality. Precision saws cut bamboo to exact specifications. Uniform lengths improve manufacturing efficiency. Specialized splitters transform hollow poles into strips. These strips become the foundation of many products. The strips are refined into consistent dimensions. Uniformity is critical for quality products. The strips are refined into consistent dimensions. Uniformity is critical for quality products. Kiln drying stabilizes the bamboo structure. This process greatly improves durability. Kiln drying stabilizes the bamboo structure. This process greatly improves durability. Treatment protects bamboo from insects and fungi. This greatly extends product lifespan. Treatment protects bamboo from insects and fungi. This greatly extends product lifespan. Carbonization changes both appearance and performance. It creates deeper color and improved stability. Steam and heat alter the bamboo structure. The material gains a rich, natural color. Controlled cooling prevents stress fractures. The bamboo is now stronger and more stable. Planing removes imperfections and rough fibers. Each strip receives a perfectly flat surface. Sanding enhances the natural bamboo grain. It prepares the material for manufacturing. Strict inspection ensures consistent quality. Only premium bamboo continues forward. Adhesive bonds individual strips together. This creates larger engineered bamboo panels. Precision alignment ensures structural strength. Every strip contributed to the finished panel. Powerful hydraulic presses form engineered bamboo boards. These boards become dozens of bamboo products. Engineered bamboo boards are transformed into flooring planks. Precision cutting ensures perfect dimensions. Engineered bamboo boards are transformed into flooring planks. Precision cutting ensures perfect dimensions. A protective finish enhances durability and appearance. The flooring is now ready for packaging. Bamboo is also widely used for furniture production. Computer-controlled routers create precise components. Accurate drilling ensures fast assembly later. Every component is prepared for production. Skilled workers assemble durable bamboo furniture. The natural grain gives every piece a unique look. Another popular product is the bamboo cutting board. These boards are valued for durability and sustainability.
Another popular product is the bamboo cutting board. These boards are valued for durability and sustainability.
Food-safe finishing protects the bamboo surface. It also highlights the natural grain pattern. Bamboo chopsticks begin as precisely cut strips. Thousands can be produced every hour. Automated shaping creates smooth, balanced chopsticks. Each piece meets strict dimensional standards. Automated shaping creates smooth, balanced chopsticks. Each piece meets strict dimensional standards. Bamboo toothbrushes start as finely cut handle blanks. Each piece is shaped for ergonomic grip. Bamboo toothbrushes start and finely cut handle blanks.
Each piece is shaped for ergonomic grip.
High-speed tufting machines insert soft nylon bristles. The brush head takes its final functional form. Trimming ensures consistent brushing performance. Every toothbrush meets hygiene standards. UV sterilization ensures product safety. Every toothbrush is hygienically treated.
Bamboo straws are a sustainable plastic alternative. They are cut from naturally hollow bamboo sections.
Polishing removes rough fibers inside each straw. This ensures safe and comfortable drinking use. Traditional weaving techniques are still widely used. Each basket is handcrafted with precision. Reinforcement ensures long-lasting durability. Each joint is secured for strength.
Large looms create bamboo mats efficiently. These mats are used in flooring and decor.
Large looms create bamboo mats efficiently. These mats are used in flooring and decor.
Bamboo can also be transformed into activated charcoal. This material is used in filtration and purification.
After carbonization, bamboo becomes pure charcoal. It must cool slowly to preserve structure. Bamboo charcoal is crushed into fine particles. These particles are used for filtration and purification products.
Precise sieving ensures consistent particle size. Only fine-grade charcoal moves forward. Activation increases the absorption power of bamboo charcoal. This makes it highly effective for purification. Bamboo fibers are broken down into fine pulp. This is the foundation of bamboo paper. The pulp is evenly spread into thin layers. Water is drained to form sheet structure.
Pressing removes excess moisture. This strengthens the bamboo paper structure.
Controlled drying prevents paper warping. Smooth bamboo paper sheets are produced. Bamboo fibers are spun into soft textile yarn. This yarn is used in clothing and fabrics. Advanced looms turn bamboo yarn into fabric. The result is soft, breathable textile material.
Eco-friendly dyes enhance bamboo textiles. Each fabric roll gains vibrant, lasting color.
Every textile roll undergoes strict inspection. Only perfect bamboo fabric reaches the market. Bamboo paper is transformed into eco-friendly packaging. Precision cutting ensures uniform product shapes. Bamboo paper is transformed into eco-friendly packaging. Precision cutting ensures uniform product shapes. Automated folding creates strong packaging boxes. Bamboo-based materials replace plastic packaging. Strong adhesives secure every edge. These boxes are ready for commercial use. Eco-packaging is customized with branding. Bamboo surfaces hold print beautifully. UV curing locks the print into the bamboo surface. This ensures long-lasting branding quality. Bamboo is also used in elegant lighting designs. Precision cutting forms artistic lamp structures. Steam allows bamboo to bend without breaking. Elegant curves define modern bamboo lamps.
Each bamboo lamp is carefully handcrafted. The structure is both lightweight and strong.
Finishing highlights bamboo's natural elegance. Every lamp becomes visually refined.
Modern bamboo lamps use energy-efficient LED systems. Each unit is carefully wired and tested. Modern bamboo lamps use energy-efficient LED systems. Each unit is carefully wired and tested. Modern bamboo lamps use energy-efficient LED systems. Each unit is carefully wired and tested.
The final lighting test ensures perfect performance. Bamboo creates a warm, natural glow.
All bamboo products are carefully packaged for shipping. From raw material to global markets, the process is complete.
From raw bamboo to hundreds of finished products. Each item shows precision craftsmanship and innovation.
Bamboo brings natural beauty into everyday kitchens. Strong, lightweight, and eco-friendly designs.
Engineered bamboo creates strong and elegant furniture. It combines durability with natural aesthetics.
Bamboo supports sustainable personal care solutions. Hygiene meets environmental responsibility.
Bamboo fibers create soft and breathable fabrics, perfect for modern, sustainable fashion.
Bamboo lighting creates warm, natural environments. Each piece blends design and sustainability. Inside the bamboo industry, 50 amazing products made from bamboo manufacturing. Global shipping warehouse stage. Bamboo products are prepared for global export. Every shipment is carefully organized and secured. Once loaded, containers are sealed for transport. Safety checks ensure secure long-distance delivery. From factory to ports, the journey continues. Bamboo products begin their global distribution.
Bamboo products now travel across oceans, reaching homes and markets worldwide.
From forest to factory, every step transforms bamboo into innovation. From flooring and furniture to textiles and packaging, one natural material creates countless useful products.
Bamboo is one of the fastest-growing natural materials. It regenerates without replanting, making it highly sustainable.
Modern bamboo factories use advanced automation systems. Precision technology ensures consistent global quality. Every bamboo product passes strict quality tests. Only the strongest materials reach consumers. Certified quality ensures trust and reliability. Every product is approved before reaching markets.
From nature to innovation, bamboo shapes a sustainable future for the world.